As a minority, we think that it is disingenuous and it's also an act of desperation for any syndicated report to suggest that the CHRAJ report has cleared the finance minister. We think that to a very, very large extent, the findings exonerate and vindicate our position as a minority. We continuously talked about the breaches of statutory regulations governing the issuance of bonds in this country, and also the irregularities that the whole transaction was fraught with. And if you clearly study or read the report with an unbiased mind, you will come to no other conclusion than that. And like the minority has stated, we don't want to spoil the holidays of Ghanaians. And so we will engage the people of Ghana through the media on details of why we think that this report actually vindicates our position. And
I find it difficult to comprehend your position, Honorable, because the crux of the claims against the minister was conflict of interest, and yet he was exonerated.
Araba, the report is a 141 report. The report also talks about a huge potential of conflict of interest. It is only fair that we all alert our minds to the issue of potential conflict of interest, which we have raised from day one. If the CHRAJ report says on this specific matter they cannot find conflict of interest, but say also that there exists potential conflict of interest, it will only be an act of desperation and disingenuity to rush to the conclusion that the 141 report can be reduced to only the case of conflict of interest, because we think that the report also has revealed some criminality that we should also be concerned about. It has revealed the issue of potential conflict of interest that we should be concerned about. We also think that it has revealed issues of statutory regulations governing issuance of bonds that were breached, as we have stated from day one, and also the issue of irregularities that we have also stated from day one. So it should not just be reduced to one matter, because it was not one matter that went to.
Let's stay a while longer on this issue, because